Millions visit Puri every year to seek the blessings of Lord Jagannath. But very few know that inside this sacred temple lies a place unlike any other in the world. A place where the Lord is believed to leave his mortal form and return in a new one. This sacred place is called Koili Vaikuntha, the eternal resting place of Lord Jagannath. Koili Vaikuntha is one of the holiest places inside the Jagannath temple. The word Koili is believed to relate to a garden, while Vaikuntha refers to the divine abode of Lord Vishnu. Unlike ordinary temples where the deity remains unchanged for centuries, Lord Jagannath follows a unique tradition. Every few years, he accepts a new wooden body through the sacred ritual known as Nabakalebara. The previous wooden forms are laid to rest here in Koili Vaikuntha. This makes it one of the only places in the world where the divine is believed to undergo death, burial, and rebirth as part of an ancient living tradition. The idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, Subhadra, and Sudarshana are carved from sacred neem trees. Wood, like every living thing in nature, slowly ages. During Nabakalebara, performed only in specific years determined by the Hindu lunar calendar, the lords receive new bodies. This sacred event reminds humanity of a timeless truth. Bodies may change, but the eternal soul never dies. The most sacred part of Nabakalebara happens in complete secrecy. The temple doors are closed, lights are extinguished. Only a handful of specially appointed priests are permitted inside. During this night, an ancient sacred essence known traditionally as the Brahma Padartha is transferred. What exactly this sacred essence is has never been publicly revealed. It remains a mystery beyond ordinary human perception. The priests who perform the ritual are traditionally blindfolded and cover their hands, emphasizing that the mystery remains sacred. After the transfer, the previous wooden forms are carried with deep reverence to Koili Vaikuntha. Here, they are ceremonially interred according to ancient temple traditions. Devotees believe this is not an end, but a divine transition. Just as the Bhagavad Gita teaches that the soul discards worn-out garments and accepts new ones, Lord Jagannath symbolically demonstrates this eternal truth. Koili Vaikuntha teaches a lesson that reaches beyond religion. Everything in nature changes. Every human body ages. Every season passes. Yet the soul remains eternal. Lord Jagannath does not merely teach this philosophy, he lives it before the eyes of the world. This is why millions of devotees feel an indescribable connection with him. Koili Vaikuntha is not a place of sorrow, it is a place of renewal. A reminder that endings often become new beginnings. Perhaps that is why Lord Jagannath is called the Lord of the Universe. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who loves Lord Jagannath. May his blessings guide your path. Jai Jagannath.